Okay, Billy, sorry, my computer, or my iPad died. We'll see if it keeps charging. I don't know. Okay, all right, so it backed me up just a little bit. It didn't save my work, but whatever. 1 over y times dy dx. You guys already have this down. Equals 2 over x, yeah? Okay, now we're here where we left off. So I'm gonna divide, and then I'm gonna distribute my 1/3 through. So 1 over, you said 3x minus 6? Yeah, if we distribute the 3 through. Minus, I'm gonna go 8x over 1 plus x squared. That is that, okay? Do we see where we're at? Like we're right here, this stuff, okay? All right, we're not done yet. I'm not gonna box that yet because what are we solving for? We're trying to find the derivative, yeah? Okay, and the derivative is dy dx, which means I have to kick this y to the other side, right? So I'm gonna multiply by the reciprocal, right, which is y, okay? Now here's the deal. I'm multiplying this whole thing by y, right? So I have dy dx equals y times that junk, right? Okay, but here's the deal. I don't want to have this in terms of y and x at the same time. So what is y equal to? This thing, right? Y equals this thing. So after I multiply the y to the other side, I have that junk times this junk. 2 over x plus 1 over 3x minus 6 minus 8x over 1 plus x squared. This is what y is, and y is that big junk. Like x squared cubic root 7x minus 14 over 1 plus x squared to the 4th power. That is the derivative. As ugly as that is, that would have been even worse. This is probably the simplified form. That would have been even worse had I not done this the log way and done the quotient rule with a product rule inside of it with 2 chain rules inside of that. That would have been, this answer would have been even worse had I tried to do that, right? So as disgusting as that is, that's actually not that bad. Okay, so just as a review, when you will always have this 1 over y dy dx over here, right? You'll just have to multiply at the end y over and replace the y with what y is from the original. Okay, good.
Software update. I need a software update.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. You what?
It's still on iOS 7.
Okay, so boys, here's what I want you to do.
Does that mean
What
I
does
need
246 look like?
Is there like update at the bottom where you can try like the beta?
X to x
2
over 3.
y equals ln of x over 3. Oh. Just the x?
Yeah.
X over 3, like this?
Yep.
Yeah?
What is this?
Is that it?
3, 2?
Yeah, that's for
That's for number 2. What does x over 3 mean?
So basically, x over 3.
1/3 x. Okay, yep. I'm gonna write that better.
Going.
Okay, so y equals ln of 1/3 x, if you want to write it like that. Okay, find the derivative of him.
Where's the rule at again? I forgot.
The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x.
So it would happen to be.
This is not my book. Oh, yeah, it is. We're just backwards and upside down. Okay, so what'd you get? 1 over. What? What?
Someone say something?
Yeah. What's the derivative of ln of 1/3 x?
Isn't it just 1 over 3?
No. 1 over 1/3 x times the derivative of the inside, which is 1/3. Right?
I don't know that when my.
And the 1/3 goes on the top, right? So this is 1/3 over 1/3 x, which is 1 over x, right? Didn't we come up to the conclusion that no matter what number is here, the derivative will always be 1 over x, right? Yep. That was 2. Are we at 4? I don't know what 4 says. Hold on. What'd you say? Ln of what?
2 plus square root of x.
2 plus the square root of x? Ugh, gross. Okay. All right, whatever.
ln to.
Okay, derivative? 1 over? 2 plus square root of x times the derivative of the inside. Okay, what's the derivative of 2? Derivative of 2 is gone, right? Square root of x is x to the 1/2 power. All right, what's the derivative of x to the 1/2 power?
1/2 x to the negative
1/2 x to the negative half. Okay. All right.
You put
Yep, this guy is 1 over 2 square roots of x is what he is, right? Like if we fix him back down to the bottom. Okay. So what's that multiplied? 1 on the top, right?
4 squared.
Sure, 4 square roots of x. I'm distributing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 4 square roots of x plus,
X.
you're close,
No,
2x.
2x, right? 2 square roots of x times the square root of x is just 2x. That's my derivative. Fancy, fancy, fancy. Fancy, fancy. I don't know where we are. 3, are we on 3?
Page 138.
138. 138. What did you say?
Absolute value.
This is 4. Absolute value.
That's number 6.
Oh, the absolute value doesn't mean anything. 6. Oh, okay. Ellen. Absolute value. The absolute value doesn't change anything. X cubed minus 7x squared minus 3. Okay,
Yeah, what the heck, man?
how do we do that?
Now, me personally,
What are we gonna do?
Probably
ask for help.
No.
take the derivative.
Yeah.
1 over all that.
1 over all that.
And then we have to find the derivative of it.
That's not that bad. That's a power rule.
3x squared minus 14x.
Okay, now how do you
You put it on top.
put that on top? That's it, right? It's the derivative of it. It's the derivative of it over top of the original,
No, really.
right? It's u prime over u.
So I was crying for nothing.
You were crying for nothing. Oh, can you? No. No, you can't simplify it.
It looks like it should be simplified.
I know. It looks like you should be able to, but no, I don't think so. That was 4. Oh, was that 4? No, that was 6. I wrote it wrong. I wrote 2 4s. Whatever.
1 plus ln of x cubed.
Y equals ln of x cubed. Is this 8? No, 10.
Cubed is on the outside.
Hold on, I gotta look at it. 10. 10. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right. All right. That thing. Okay.
So
This
ln of x plus ln of x.
This is not
That's a change.
the same thing. This is not the same thing as ln of x cubed.
Oh, yeah.
You're cubing the whole thing. So this is a chain rule, right? Okay, so we start with the chain rule on the outside. So 3 comes down in front,
ln of x squared.
ln of x squared times the derivative of the inside,
Which is 1 over x.
which is 1 over x. So how do I shove that all together? Y prime.
Wait, let me think about it.
Equals 3 ln of x squared over x.
I like it.
Back.
Yes, yes. That is different than what you would get if you do this guy. Ln of just the x squared. It's the whole ln of x. Yeah. Yeah. That was 10. La, 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 la. 12. 12. Okay.
Square root of x.
12. Y equals ln square root of x. Okay, you try this one. See if you can do this. See if you can figure this one out.
Power.
Mm-hmm.
Stick the half out front.
You betcha. Okay, keep going.
Now I'm lost.
No, you're not. Write it down. Then you will see. You're just rewriting him, and then you have to take the derivative. 1/2 just chills.
And then you put it to the negative.
No. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. When you
Oh,
put the
and
one,
it's over
okay,
X
the
and-
process, the process of putting the 1/2 down in front is not a part of taking the derivative. You're putting the 1/2 down in front as a result of like just changing what he looks like, right? That's not, like changing it from this to this, that's not part of finding the derivative.
So is it just 1 over 2x?
Yes. The 1/2's just chilling. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, right? So 1 over 2x. Yeah? Yeah. Bringing the 1/2 down in front is not a part of finding the derivative.
Okay.
That's just a part of rewriting the thing.
The
14.
Jesus put loose on my paper.
Ooh. Y equals. We better stop. We'll pick up on 14 tomorrow.
Oh, time to go.
Okay, bye, Billy.